Hello friend, welcome back. Here is a great feature which you will be able to enjoy from SelectorsHub 5.0. Now you can open SelectorsHub just through keyboard shortcuts. You need not to right click on inspect and then figure it out where is the SelectorsHub here in the DevTools. So how you can do this? Just press default keys are Command Shift S on Mac and on Windows it is Control Shift S. Default, like when you will use this Command Shift S, it will open as side panel here. It will not open DevTools and in DevTools SelectorsHub Pro. That's not it doesn't work. That's how it will open as side panel here. And on the left side your website web page will be there. So now if any web page or anything you open, you can open and just access that like anything. So it's simple and straightforward that you will be able to open any website or anything, and on the side panel you have SelectorsHub, and here you can just simply inspect through this and use it. Now suppose if you want to change these shortcut keys, like you don't want to use Command Shift S or Control Shift S, in that case how you can customize this, how you can change these keys? Right click on the logo, click on Manage Extensions. Here there will be 3 horizontal lines, click on them, and keyboard shortcuts. You see that extension and keyboard shortcuts. Click on this. Here go to SelectorsHub Pro and click on Edit. Here you can change, like let's say you want Command Shift and M you want. So in that case you just press Command Shift M all together, and after that, like if you will press here Command Shift M, it will open like this. So let's say if you are on any web page like this, so you just have to, like if we close it, you just have to press Command Shift M and it will open. For if you are using Chrome version 114 and 115 and I believe 116, it will be fine. If you are using Chrome 114 and 115 version, then after installing SelectorsHub you might not be able to open SelectorsHub. The shortcut keys might not work. Reason, this is an issue on Chrome. Otherwise, like if it is a latest 117 version 116, then it should work. So if your shortcut keys are not working, like let's say you have installed and then you are trying to press Command Shift S, because this is a Chrome issue. So in that case what you have to do, you just right click on extension, click on Manage Extension, go here keyboard shortcuts, and just set the same keys. Like if you press Command Shift S here, and you will see that it will be set like this here, and after resetting it, same thing, it will start working. So now if you will press Command Shift S, it will open. So if it is not working, like shortcut keys are not working, default shortcut keys are not working, you have to just right click on logo, click on Manage Extension, here click on these 3 horizontal icon lines, keyboard shortcuts, and just click on Edit and reset the same value. It will work. Just press Command Shift S here and it will automatically set, and then from there onwards you will be able to set like open SelectorsHub through keyboard. Right now this feature is available with SelectorsHub 5.0 from Chrome version 114 onwards, and this feature, because SelectorsHub 5.0 is right now available on Pro versions only. Soon we will release this feature SelectorsHub this feature in free version as well. This will be available before August end, maybe like in the last week of August 2023. This feature will be available for all the free users as well. Thank you so much.